Did you know the most used metal in the world is steel? And among its many uses, one stands out for its practicality and environmental friendliness: the stainless steel bottle. The making of stainless steel bottles is a fascinating process, a marriage of technology and design that results in a product we use in our everyday lives. But how does it compare to the creation of other types of bottles? Take plastic bottles, for instance. They begin their life as tiny pellets, melted down and blown into a mold to create the familiar shape we all know. Quick and cheap, yes, but at what cost? The environmental impact of single-use plastic is well documented, with millions of tons clogging up our oceans and landfills every year. Glass bottles, on the other hand, involve a process of heating and cooling sand, soda ash, and limestone. While more environmentally friendly than plastic, glass bottles are fragile and heavy, making them less practical for day-to-day use. Now, consider the stainless steel bottle. The process begins with sheets of stainless steel. These sheets are cut into two halves of a bottle shape. They are then welded together and polished to create a smooth finish. The inside gets a coating to make it food safe, while the outside can be painted or decorated. Yes, it's a more complex process than plastic or glass, but the results? A bottle that's durable, lightweight, and most importantly, reusable. Stainless steel bottles can last for years, even decades if taken care of properly. They keep your drinks hot or cold, don't leach chemicals, and are easy to clean. And every time you refill your stainless steel bottle, that's one less plastic bottle ending up in a landfill or the ocean. So, the next time you reach for a drink, think about the journey that bottle took to get to your hand. Was it a quick and dirty trip from pellet to plastic? A fragile journey from sand to glass? Or was it a journey of strength and durability, from sheet to stainless steel? The choice, as always, is yours. But remember, every choice you make has an impact. By choosing a stainless steel bottle, you're not just choosing a practical, durable product. You're choosing to make a positive impact on our planet, so go ahead, make the switch. Choose stainless steel and make a difference, one sip at a time. Now that you've decided to make the switch to stainless steel, let's dive into the variety of options available in the market. First up, we have insulated stainless steel bottles. These bottles are designed to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, whether it's your morning coffee or your afternoon smoothie. The double-walled construction ensures that your hot drinks stay hot and your cold drinks stay cold. Next, we have non-insulated stainless steel bottles. These bottles are lighter and less expensive than their insulated counterparts, but lack the temperature control features. They're perfect for water and other room temperature drinks. Then there are stainless steel bottles with built-in straws. If you're someone who prefers sipping your drink without tilting the bottle, this could be your ideal choice. The straws are reusable too, which adds to the eco-friendly aspect. And now, let's talk about the mouth of the bottle. Some stainless steel bottles come with wide mouths, making them easy to fill, especially with ice cubes or fruit slices. On the other hand, bottles with narrow mouths are great for those who prefer drinking on the go, as they reduce the risk of spills. Remember, each type of stainless steel bottle serves a different purpose. Choose the one that suits your needs the best. Whether it's for hot drinks, cold drinks, sipping, gulping, or even avoiding spills, there's a stainless steel bottle out there for everyone. Now that we've explored the variety of stainless steel bottles, it's important to know how to keep them clean and safe for continuous use. After all, a clean bottle is a happy bottle. Cleaning stainless steel bottles is easy and doesn't require any fancy tools. Let's walk you through the process. Firstly, rinse the bottle with warm water. This will help remove any loose debris and make the cleaning process a lot smoother. Next, fill the bottle with warm water again and add a few drops of mild detergent. The key here is to use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner. This will help preserve the integrity of your stainless steel bottle and prevent it from getting scratched. Now, it's time to get scrubbing. Use a bottle brush to clean the inside of the bottle. These brushes are usually long and thin, designed to reach every corner of your bottle. Make sure you scrub the bottom and the sides thoroughly to remove any stubborn residue. Once you've given it a good scrub, rinse the bottle thoroughly. You want to make sure all the soap is out of the bottle before you use it again. Finally, let your bottle air dry. It's best to keep the cap off while drying to prevent any moisture buildup inside the bottle. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can keep your stainless steel bottle clean and ready for use. Remember, regular cleaning not only ensures that your bottle is safe to use, but it also helps extend its lifespan. So take good care of your stainless steel bottle, and it will take good care of you. Now that we've explored the various types of stainless steel bottles and learned how to properly clean them, you might be wondering, where can I buy one? Well, you're in luck. Stainless steel bottles are widely available in a variety of outlets. Firstly, you can buy stainless steel bottles from online stores. Websites like Amazon, eBay, and other online retailers offer a wide range of stainless steel bottles. You can filter your search by brand, price, size, and even color. The reviews section can provide you with valuable insights about the product from other customers. Secondly, physical stores are also great places to buy stainless steel bottles. Department stores, sports goods stores, and even supermarkets often carry a selection of these bottles. The advantage of buying from a physical store is that you can check the bottle in person. You can hold it, inspect it for defects, and even test its weight and comfort in your hand. Lastly, you can buy directly from the manufacturers. Many stainless steel bottle manufacturers have their own websites where they sell their products. Buying directly from the manufacturer can be a great option if you're looking for a specific model that's not available elsewhere. Regardless of where you choose to buy your stainless steel bottle, remember to check the quality before purchasing. Look for a bottle that is durable, well-insulated, and made from food-grade stainless steel. Don't forget to consider the lid type and whether you prefer a wide mouth or a narrow mouth bottle. In our next scene, we will wrap up everything we've learned today about stainless steel bottles. Stay tuned! As we prepare to wrap up our deep dive into the world of stainless steel bottles, let's take a moment to look ahead. The future of stainless steel bottles is indeed bright, and there are several reasons why. Firstly, there is an increasing awareness about environmental issues. Plastic pollution is a global concern, and more people are seeking out eco-friendly alternatives. Stainless steel bottles, being reusable and recyclable, are a fantastic solution to this problem. They reduce our reliance on single-use plastic bottles and contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Secondly, technological advancements in manufacturing are making stainless steel bottles even better. We're seeing innovations in insulation technology that keep beverages hot or cold for longer periods. There are also developments in design and material that make these bottles lighter, more durable, and even more stylish. Thirdly, the demand for reusable products is on the rise. Consumers are not just looking for products that are good for the environment, but also products that offer value for money. A stainless steel bottle, though it may cost more upfront, will save money in the long run. It's a one-time investment that outlasts and outperforms disposable bottles. So, what does this all mean? It means that stainless steel bottles are here to stay. They're not just a trend, they're a lifestyle choice, a statement of intent. They're a commitment to our planet, to our future. As we close this scene and move on to our final thoughts, remember this: the future is stainless.